What's up, folks? Welcome back to another one of GoodVibes Van and Mile High Woodcraft. Don't know if you can see it, hopefully you can hear me as well. But what I'm working on today is an entryway bench with storage for your shoes. I've already got some pocket holes drilled in it. Now we're going to drill some more. Using Craig R3 pocket hole jig, and we're going to be using, I can't figure out yet if I'm using 2 or 2.5. This is 2 inch, which is like 1.5 inches, a little over, 2 by 12. Then we're gonna set it on fire, baby. So it's important to have your drill going, that way you don't dull your bit when it hits the wood. 'Pretty simple and easy, straightforward how to use it. Good old Craig R3, you can't beat them. I mean, they make better ones, of course, like bigger, but Craig is the best. Get you a general idea of what I'm doing here. This here's the bottom side, front facing me. You see I've already drilled pocket holes here as well. Basically, and if you can't see, I already have another one laid down here. Lines marked up here. Basically, if the wind don't blow it over, it's going to be like that. We're going to bring this about 3.5 inches above the floor. Now the table's upside down, so you get the point. Put somewhere in that area like that. And that's what happens. What can you do? Working outside, you're not working in some fancy shop. Show you a little bit about how I do things. I know it's a little bit of a mess, but hey, this is like my workshop under my bed here. Got a Xantrex 1000. Duracell Ford Beach Cell, I believe they're 117 amp hour a piece, flooded lead acid. And if I can do it, climb up here. All right, and up here, top of the van, we run completely off solar. I don't have the fancy generators, noisy generators, polluting. We just run off. These are 2 Renogy 100 watt monocrystalline panels, and that is a 150 watt and 50 watts. Like I said, I'll do everything off solar, make it the smallest footprint as possible. I build things out of picking up. I picked up all down through here. Over the past year, it's been just trashed. All the way down through there, and you see I got a stack of wood way down there at the end. What I do with that is I cut it up, make little knickknacks, benches, tables, like chevron symbols for military families and stuff, because here in Colorado, huge military family base just right down the street, Air Force Academy. So, what else do I need to add on this one? Stick around as we get this put together. What I need is sand, I crank up the vehicle, that way it's putting more out, that way I don't harm my batteries. Plug it straight into my inverter. Of course, you got to strip down, don't want that crap all over you. Sanding the 120. See, I'm not going all the way smooth with it because I'm going to set it on fire. Raise that back up. I'm just smoothing out anything, any kind of burrs, nicks like this. It's going to give it that nice weathered look. This is not even going to need sanding. Just touch up the edges, round over everything so that you don't split and bust when it's sitting there. You definitely don't want your edges to be flat like that. It just split and bust over time. You want something that lasts, good quality. All right, got it glued up, got the pocket hole screws in, come together really nice. Now we're about to add the shelf in. Booyah! Look at that. Nothing to it. Who says you can't woodwork out of the back of a van? Gotta be crazy. Got the solar, got just about everything, just a little hard work and some elbow grease. You can do it too. Wait till it's been set on fire, then yeah. Alright, got them coated. Ooh, look at this one. This one turned out real pretty. Alright, try to see if we can't throw this video up, and we will come back at you on, well, when the farmer's market and get everything set up. Alright now, thank y'all for coming along. GoodVibes Van, Mile High Wood Crafts. Be sure to check out milehighwoodcrafts.com. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing, smash that notification button, give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one. Guys, be safe, be good, and always be creative.